Hello everyone, look what a beautiful package we have here today and what a big package. I just want to inform you that I am now part of Oppo Ambassadors program and they send me OPPO Find N2 Flip that beauty. And guys, believe me, I cannot wait to open that little beauty flipping phone. This side is completely empty. Here we just have an arrow from where to open it. Here it's again completely empty and here it's too. On the front side we already checked it that it's written Oppo Find N2 Flip, Oppo and Hasselblad, and Oppo again wants to show us that they are collaborating with Hasselblad with their cameras. And of course in the future videos we will check how these cameras are performing. On the back of the phone we just have the typical stickers. Here it's written my version is 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage. It is color Astro Black. I want to share and compare what's the difference between this box and this box. This is S23 Ultra. You can see how thin it is and how small it is. Here on that box we have only a cable and the phone, nothing more. But here that's a different story. Alright, let's rotate the box and start unboxing. This is my first flip phone ever. Alright, that unboxing experience was on a next level. Nice job Oppo, nice job. Very good unboxing experience. The box is on another level, very quality materials, very good first impression. That's how it should be, not just a simple box with nothing inside it. This is the device itself. Let's remove it. It's packed with eco-friendly material. Alright, here we have some stickers with the emails and so on. And let's remove that part of the box on a side. Let's move to the next things inside the box because we have lots of them. So here we have an USB-C to USB-A cable, very soft material, and the cable itself looks like a very high quality cable. It's white, of course. I like white cables with nice white chargers. We have a big charger here. It is 67 watt Super VOOC charger with USB-A, of course. Let's check what else we have in the box. Alright, what we have here in that box, it's opening like a letter. Again, very nice job from Oppo. And what we have here, probably a case. Alright, let's open it. So the case itself, it is coming in two parts. The upper part and the bottom part. It's an hard case, hard plastic case, but a good quality one. You can see how it looks like, and let's close it. And that's it. That part here, it's exposed. It is a metal part, but it's still exposed. Keep in mind that it is protruding here a little bit on the cameras, so they are protected. And just the case looks very nice. Small letter box. Of course, we have here some Oppo Find N2 Flip premium service, the exclusive benefits you deserve. Find more benefits, and this is some VIP card from Oppo. Quick guide, of course, we have here. Everyone needs to read that. And safety guide. And on the back side of the box we have our SIM eject tool. Just to clarify something about the charger, this is Super VOOC 67 watt charger. very high speed charger, but OPPO Find N2 Flip supports only up to 44 watts, which is still the fastest charging flip phone on the market. So let's check now the device. Let's reveal that beauty. Here is the front of the device. You can see that crease. You can't see that crease. It is invisible. For real, it is invisible. Whoa, again, nice job, Oppo. For real, that crease is invisible. I can't believe even that. This is a very grippy, like sand, like the old OnePlus sand case. It is sand feeling here, very nice, very grippy. I'm not sure you can see in the cameras how beauty that back is, and this will leave your phone without any smudges and fingerprints, which I like a lot. And here is the front screen without any crease. You can see how smooth it's going from one side to the other side. We have here a plastic bump surrounding the screen, which means when you do it like this, just flip it and it will touch the plastic, not the screen itself. That sound. Here we have a nice Oppo branding. You can see how it's reflect the light here. Here on the back of the phone it's written again Oppo and Hasselblad collaboration. Here on the front we have that big screen and the two cameras and of course the flashlight. This guy here is also a very lightweight compared to big devices like S23 Ultra. This is very lightweight device. It is only 191 grams, but believe me, it feels very good in hand because it is rounded here on the edges and it's very thin, so it is very good in hand and the size is just perfect. And of course the screen here, we have a very big screen, 6.8 inches, and when you do like this you will receive that 3.26 inches. This is the biggest screen on any flip device right now on the market. So guys, we can clarify this as a flip device with the biggest outer screen. And of course we have here a 120 Hz LTPO variable frequency display. It is going down to just 1 Hz, which of course will save your battery. And the secondary screen is 60 Hz and it can go down to 30 Hz, which again will save you a battery. It can go up to 1200 nits of brightness. That means this screen will be still visible in directly sunlight. Speaking of the battery, here we have a split battery with in total 4300 milliampere hours, and probably this is the biggest battery in any flip device right now. Let's check the sides. We have here that power button which doubles as a fingerprint. We have here the volume rocker. Down here we have the USB-C port and of course the loudspeaker and SIM tray and microphone. Here on the upper part we have that secondary microphone. With this device we will receive 2 SIM cards. When we go to specs, we can't just skip the cameras, so we have here a 50 megapixel main camera with closed loop focus motor, and we have an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera with 112 degrees field of view. Here inside the device we have a front camera which is 32 megapixels. Let's fold that device, and guys, you can see the biggest advantage of this device is when you flip it, it is just flat here, not like the Fold 4 from Samsung. We have here a big gap, but here we don't have that gap. The device is just completely flat when you fold it. Alright, enough speaking for me and enough specs. Let's just power on the device and check the software. We received that hello. Let's just close it. Unfold to continue. Just that. Alright, let's just set up the device and check which version of Android and ColorOS we have here. And guys, you can see we have here a ColorOS 13 with Android 13 of course, and even we have an update. We have here an integration to the February 2023 Android security patch. They update these security patches on a regular basis. Camera improves the quality of photos taken with the rear camera, improves the camera stability. Alright, so everything seems to be improved with this update. I will install it now and check it later. I didn't mention the CPU here on that device, and it is MediaTek Dimensity 9000 Plus octa-core. You can see here the specs. Of course, we have here the famous Marley Silicon X NPU, which is a coprocessor only for the images, which for now Oppo is doing a great job with it. And guys, something I realized during the setup process is that this device has a great haptics. This hinge on OPPO Find N2 Flip is a multi-degree hinge, so that means you can flip it on almost whatever angle you want. You can see how it stays until just you flip it.